You already know what it is. Let's get it. Time to get it cracking. Oh, hold on. Here we go. You already know what it is. My bad. I hopped on this boy. So cheesy. You already know what it is. It's your boy MP back at it again with another one. You feel what I'm saying? Cause I stay clapping my hands. Cause it's a beautiful day. Cause that's all that matters. It's a beautiful day. It's dark outside. It's still a beautiful day. Doesn't even matter. Today is episode 12. You feel me? Episode 12. We are still going up. Posting every day. Well, every other day, every day. For personal reasons. I'm noticing some things that I've been working on, which was don't get in early, stop overthinking, relax, stay motivated through these difficult times through trading. So just like a couple of things I've been working on, daily and weekly so far throughout this little journey that I've been having. And yeah. Again, it's going pretty smooth, so I can't complain. It is what it is. So today, I have for you the market and what we went through yesterday. Well, Monday, yesterday. It was amazing. So it wasn't amazing. It was, but it wasn't, because I didn't get in any trade, so I didn't trade. But today, Tuesday, and technically it moved like last night, Tuesday morning, and it it did went up past the trend line I did create, or that area I did create where I thought it wasn't gonna touch. It did that. It retested it, and then it plummeted down to the way I was going. So hey, what can I say, man? I ain't gonna say I'm a philosopher or I'm a guesser or nothing like that, but I just picked a good direction at this point, and it went in the correct direction. I have to go back to my analysis or go back to the chart and just go through and make sure to see where I could have got in at a better time to have gotten that trade and capitalized damn near on every single portion of the trade, and or just learn it for next time, which I did. I learned. Okay, you got that down, but you just at this point gotta learn, the timing on when to entry, on when to get in, and when to exit, and stuff like that. So it's just minor things, but it's gonna take some time for me to go ahead and fix that and get that situated. I'm gonna just keep working on it at the end of the day. But again, we are on track, as what I'm saying. It went down to that area to retest that we claimed that, which was a outstanding key level, where it just tends to want to fluctuate around that level. So once I turn this chart around, you feel what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and get that boy cracking, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm talking about, just in case you don't remember, because yesterday we went over it, and today is a new day and it's another beautiful day. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go ahead and get it cracking. Enough talking. Let's get it. Yeah, there we go, right here. Got it pulled up just for you. You can see right here it says Trading View. Boom. You don't know what Trading View is. And then you got British Pound and US dollar. Trading View is where I look at my charts, and you have other indices and currencies and literally whatever you want to look on here, major currencies. Let me just go back just so I can show you like just the main. You got indices, you got currency, futures, crypto, and bonds. So they are pretty, it's pretty useful in my point of frame, and I think it works pretty well. So as you could see right here. Oh, you might be wondering, damn, this big gray ass box. What is this? This is a Fibonacci. I drew this like yesterday, but I had it all the way up here at least about right here, but it bypassed that portion. So what I did was just take it and I just drew it all the way down to another portion I feel like it was going to touch, and it didn't completely touch it all the way right here, but it got pretty close, which is cool. If we slide it all the way over, what area is this right here matches up? This area right here touched about right there, as you can see, touched right here at a time ago. So as you can see, that would, you know, that is a level. And as of right now, I'm not supposed to be trading today, but I took it just on the strength of it, because I just wanted to see if I was to take it with the direction, you know, would I be, you know, in the correct direction. But you won't be able to really see what I did. But all I really did was just put like a buy here, and I bought it all the way to 36,200. And I had a stop loss set like right around this area. As of right now, as you can see, we're on a 30-minute time frame. Talking to myself, 30-minute time frame. And yeah, the chart looks like it's going in an upward direction. Not saying it's gonna go all the way the fuck up, but I mean, as of right now, as we can see it, the small direction that it is making, it is going up, just minor, nothing major, just minor. I still have all of this still up. Why? Because I like to use it, because these are all points, and at a point of time I am going to get rid of it, just depending on how far I am with the chart and if it's going to be useful. Like, I can get rid of these, like certain little trend lines and low lines and stuff that I got set up, I can get rid of, so I'm gonna get rid of them. Yeah, really, that's just that. I might just go ahead and get out of it soon, real quick. Hey, you know, one thing I did hear from one trader, I was watching a YouTube video one day, and he was like, you know, most traders, they let their losers ride all the way out, and they never let their winners ride all the way out. It's like they always you know, when they see a winner is going, they just immediately take the winnings out, and you know, and if they see a loser, then they just try to let it ride out until, because they feel like it's gonna go back in the other direction into profit. So I'm trying to work on just letting my profits ride out a little better, even though I'm not really capitalizing anything, because I'm in a demo. It doesn't really matter. I'm just doing it for fun anyway. As of right now, at least in this account. As again, I did just hop in this little baby trade. It's only like what, 100 pips, maybe 50 pips. About, what is this, 100 to 36,200. That's about 100 pips. 50, one of them. It's about 100. I'm gonna even say one of them. Either way it go, let's go ahead and zoom it down to a 15-minute time frame. As you can see, it's making smaller, congested the candles, and we won't draw a trend line up here, but if it was, it could be relevant. As you can see, it did break through this one. So with that being said, as you can see, when it broke through this trend line right here, it went the fuck down. Ooh, sorry about that. It went the fuck down. So with that being said, sheesh. Yeah, about that. That's terrible camera footage. Sorry. As you can see, it did plummet. When it did plummet, crossed that trend line, and then tried to retest it, couldn't really do it, at least succeed from it, and it just plummeted all the way down. As you can see, we was around this area right here where I had this arrow pointed down to this section right here with Judah, and as you can see, earlier, so I was saying, it did retest all the way up here, higher than this box. Showed again that it wasn't higher than this section, so I should have already knew if I was in on this section, or if I was just watching on the chart, I could have been like, oh, it didn't even pass. Wait on the next candlestick and watch this whole candlestick right here just fucking blast the universe, and it made that one wick. As you can see, if you go back to my previous video from yesterday, you will see me, I had set up this this trend line right here just to represent that it had a couple of those lower lows, boom, and then you got the boom, and then you got the boom right there. So, and then this is another one. So I was watching a video the other day, and my you know, I ain't gonna say my instructor, but the trader that taught me, I bought a course either way though. And the trader that taught me, he was saying that, well, he was showing his chart, and it showed, like earlier in the past, and he was trading GBP/USD as well, and it was just like a trade just like this, but I believe it was going downwards or upwards. I forgot. I gotta look at the video and see. But man, I swear, if you was in on this trade, on this whole capitalization on the downtrend, fuck, that is vicious, bro. That is a nice capitalization. Oh, so if we even zoomed it out, you would see that boy would have been getting vicious, bro. Vicious. Actually, I ain't gonna even say that. Take that back. I'm not gonna say that. Either way go, we preparing for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day that don't play. You feel me? So again, you can see I drew this arrow right here. It did the crash dummy test. Oh, it couldn't make it. Boom, plummeted down. Tried to retest again around this boxed area, and it just had enough. It couldn't cross over the top of this. It just created another low, and boom, drastic point. But if I was to draw a trend line right here, as you can see, it would have crossed it right here, representing that the trend could possibly be going up. Not saying that I'm right about that, but it's possible. It's possible. Anything's possible. Fuck. You know what I'm saying? So let's just draw just to see what I'm talking about if it was to happen. So about right there. So it'll probably smack to about right here, depending on if it wants to go on top of this trend line to retest it again. But as of right now, I don't really feel like it's going back down, at least to retest this area right now, at least. Maybe soon, but as of right now, that's not on my mind. I don't see anything that's represented. I don't see any lows that's going lower than, right here. But I mean, if anybody see anything different or have anything, they learn in a whole different way or anything, make sure you comment down below. I'm welcome and open to any other, opinions that you have on my trading, or anything that you just want to add on to that could possibly help in the future. You could always just comment down below. Constructive criticism is welcome. As you can see right here, as I zoom it down to the 5-minute time frame as well, you can see that it was no lows created. We still got right here, this is about the lowest low I see. Right here, this is about higher than right here, which is perfectly fine. Not saying that's like the only confirmation, but as of right now, we're still above that last high right here. So we got a high right here, we got a high right here, so we're still above that as of right now. And as you can see, it's pretty close to creating a double top right here, but it didn't ever complete it. So that being said, I can't really make my decision yet until the next one, until at least another 1 or 2 candlesticks for me to just like really like, yeah. But as of right now, I don't see anything or any confirmations that are, have me feeling like that that it's time for me to change my position. But again, I'm just gonna wait it out, be patient. That's what I really need to work on quite a bit as of right now, as a beginner trader as well. Just work on being patient a lot more. I wasn't patient for a while, and I haven't been patient, so I'm gonna continue to work on that and grow from that. Yeah, so yeah, we just gonna be patient with this trade, and we're gonna take it one day at a time, one step at a time. You feel me? I'm trading these, changing these a little bit so I can see it a little better. Why? I'm just testing this out. Really, I'm just testing it out to see like what this is look like. Putting the red lines to show that it's lower, it's going lower, like it's a lower low. You know what I'm saying? And the green is representing the highs. So we just gonna rock with this and check this out. And this is really just a little test run. This is nothing to. Oh, he doing this and this and this and this, this and this. No. I'm just testing it out. And as of right now, this is what we looking like. 5-minute time frame, 15-minute. Yeah, and it hasn't even completed. As we zoom out to the 15-minute time frame, it hasn't even completed this candlestick. Working out right now is working on that bottom half of the wick. Yeah, well, the bottom half of the candle at least. It's leaving a little partial wick, but still working on it. But as of right now, yeah, we're just waiting it out until tomorrow. Really, the market should be moving sometime soon, and we're gonna go from there. If anything, if it doesn't retest, it should go down one more time to retest this area to be for sure. But again, we just waiting it out to see, because I'm not having any confirmations like, yeah, it's about to do this and that right now. So right now we're just rocking with it to see what's gonna happen next. But other than that, stay tuned, because you know I'm about to be dropping another one soon. Yeah, let's get it on to the next day. Hope y'all have a beautiful one, because I am.